all the IPv6 address. So this is a loopback 2001 colon x colon x. So let's say yeah, router 1 will be 2001 colon 1 colon 1. Router 5 will be 2001 colon 5 colon 5. This is a loopback interface we need to define. So I will just save this topology first, then we're going to do it together. Okay. So I'm going to share into the WhatsApp group. So after you receive it, can you just try to start, and we're going to configure it one by one together with the IPv6 address. So we need to practice a few more times how to configure IPv6. So I'm going to configure IPv6 as well as how we configure on the OSPF v3 together. Okay. Let's get started together first. Copy and start the device. But this might take some time for you to start the devices. Let's say you get the error code number 2. Can you just restart your ENSP? Restart the ENSP. So I give you another 2 more minutes for you to get ready everything. So next we're going to configure together. So mine is already started already. Okay, switches is okay. So while waiting, I will just pre-set up the device first. I'll waiting for you to get ready. We do it together. Okay, is it started already? Okay, yeah. Let's get started. Then I'm going to show you on the configuration one by one how we define that. All right, so I'll do it on router number one first. Okay, so for this environment, we're fully doing using the IPv6 addresses. So there's no IPv4 involved and no IPv4 involved. So I'm going to do it on router number one. I first configure IPv6 address first. IPv6 enters, then define on the interface. Okay, interface S100 IPv6 enables. Okay, IPv6 address 2001 colon 12 colon 164. And also the loopback interface loopback 0, IPv6 enables IPv6 address 2001 colon 1 colon 164. Okay, that's on router number one. Done. So this one should be straightforward. Then after this is completed already, then we can go to router number 2. Okay, router number 2, IPv6 interface S100, IPv6 enables, IPv6 address 2001:12:264. Interface loopback 0, IPv6 enables, IPv6 address okay, and one more interface as gate 001. Okay, IPv6 enables, IPv6 address 2001:345:, sorry, it's not, it's :23:264. Okay, that is the 3 interface for the router number 2. Okay, router number 2 done. Then router number 3 also have 3 interface, 2 physical and 1 loopback. Okay, this is on router number 3. So make sure that you need to use to this how to define on the IPv6 addresses, the step by step. Okay, and router 4 and 5 is only one interface. Okay, 4 IPv6 interface gate 00, IPv6 enables, IPv6 address. Okay, router 5, they have a IPv6 as well, only 2 interface gate 00. Okay, that is on the configuration on the basic IPv6 address. So it's not very difficult, but you just have to make sure that they do not have any mistake when you type the address into the devices. Okay, that is the more concern that you need to make sure that the IP address you type is not conflicting or is not mistyped on the addresses. Because IPv6 is 128-bit, you can be easily typed wrongly. So you have to depend on what address they ask you to configure into the lab. So far, all right on this case? So you try to define the address first. Right now, we go for our lunch. After lunch, come back, I will continue with the OSPF v3 configuration. So I will show you a different type of the configuration and all the LSA, how they differentiate, how we're going to discover the topology by using the LSA information, how they exchange the database between the devices as well. Is that okay? Let's take a 1 hour break for the lunch. After from lunch come back, we continue with the OSPF v3 configuration. So after the OSPF v3 configuration is done, then we go for the next topic as a ISIS. All right. So I will just stop here for a while. Then I come back. I continue with the OSPF v3 configuration. Thank you.
Thank you.